Very nice glasses. I'd rather play with these. Uh-oh, they're all crunched up. See, that's why Grandpa didn't...
Ito, bigay sa akin ng aking mami. This is for Zeta. The other one is for Zeta. Maybe this is for Zeta's birthday. Yeah, and this is for me. Then she... Hello everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Monday! So ngayon na kami magsa-celebrate ng Mother's Day. Pupunta lang kami sa restaurant. Yung pangalan ng restaurant is... What's the name?
Well, if we wait until 4, we're gonna go to Chuck's Margaritas. But if we don't wait until 4, then I don't know.
Ayan, so yun yung first plan. Gusto kasi ni Mr. kumain doon sa Chuck's Margarita. Kaso, since Monday today, 4 p.m. pa sila mag-open? Or do they always open at 4 p.m.? Or no? It's just because it's Monday.
I don't.
Ayun. So kung okay naman, kasi kasama namin ang aking mom-in-law, kung okay naman sa kanya, kukuha muna kami, magkukulat muna kami ng dirt or yung lupa, pataba sa lupa. What's that? Dirt?
Compost.
Compost para doon sa, where are you gonna use it?
It's for the bamboo.
Ayan, para doon sa kanya mga bamboos doon sa property ng aking mga biyanan. So yun muna yung gagawin namin habang nag-aantay para mag-open yung restaurant. So yun lang naman ang aming gagawin today. Tapos bukas yun nga, meron kaming check-up ni Zeta doon sa aming private healthcare provider. So yan ang aming agenda for today. Samahan niyo po kami. Zeta, say hi! How are you? Love, that's what I noticed to Zeta. Whenever she sees me filming her, she wouldn't say a thing. But whenever it's just us without a camera, she would keep saying a lot of stuff. Why do you think so?
A lot of people don't like being on camera.
Are you camera shy, baby? Andito na kami sa aking mga in-laws, guys. Inaayos lang ni Mr. yung pickup truck. Yun kasi yung aming gagamitin para mag-collect ng compost. And ito ang OOTD ng ating baby Zeta. Show your OOTD, baby. Baby. Yay! Tingnan nyo yung nadapa siya kahapon. Ayan, oh. Buwan ko kung nakikita nyo. Kawawa naman. Medyo, kami, halos pareho kami ng dress ni Zeta. Magkaiba lang ng design. Hi, everyone. Say hello, everyone. Sige na, talk to them. Why don't you wanna talk to them? But if there's no camera, you keep talking. What are you pointing at? Ay! Ay, nako, takbo ka na naman ng takbo, baby. Tapos madapa ka na naman dyan. So, mukhang hindi kami tutuloy sa Chuck's Margarita kasi nga, masyado siyang late. Mag-open 4 p.m. So, baka mag-Thai restaurant na lang kami. Yung pinuntahan namin last time. Yun. So, kayo, kumusta ang inyong Mother's Day? Paano kayo nag-celebrate ng Mother's Day? Kami talaga, yung mismong day, wala talaga. Nag-hangout lang kami dito, nag-grocery shopping, yun. Spend time with the family, that's it. Pero ngayon namin pinili pumunta ng restaurant kasi nga, mas hindi busy. Kahapon kasi sobrang busy yan. Sobrang daming tao. Ha? Okay. Okay. Galit si Mr. Wag kami. Tumayo dito. Maybe nice flowers, white flowers. Grabe, sobrang puti ni Zaira. Buti na lang nakuha ang kulay ng kanyang tatay. What's that? Flowers? Do you like flowers? Bless you! Papunta na kami dito sa place kung saan kami magko-collect ng compost. And sabi ni Mr. baka daw hindi nag-take ng debit yun. So magka-cash. Eh may cash ako dito kasi hindi naman na siguro cash siya. So what are we gonna do if they won't take debit?
Go to the gas station and get cash.
Tingnan nyo yung water dito. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita.
You know, the funny thing is it's bamboo. We could probably just use any dirt. I could probably just get a shovel and dig up whatever dirt is anywhere and use that. Because bamboo really does not care what kind of dirt is growing in. It's, you know.
I don't know, love. You're the one who knows everything about
I'm
bamboos.
just doing this because it seems. Well, I don't know where I would dig up dirt anyways. It's very hard to dig the dirt in Connecticut because it's all rocks and clay and it's very difficult to dig.
Yeah, kaya hindi ka rin dito pwede magtanim diretsa doon sa lupa. Kahit na malaki yung place mo, kailangan mo pa rin yung garden bed. Kasi nga, hindi naman mabubuhay pagka itatanim mo siya diretso doon. Unless lalagyan mo ng mga ganyan, yung compost, yung mga lupa talaga na ginagamit sa pagtatanim. Unlike sa atin, diba sa Pilipinas, pwede ka magtanim diretso sa lupa. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda ng view dito. Isa to sa mga favorite view ko dito sa may lugar namin. What place is this na?
No, Eastford.
Eastford. Well, hindi na pala. Ibang ano na to. Iba na siyang town. Pero ang ganda. Kaso ang liit ng kalsada, nakakatakot mag-drive. Love, aren't you scared of driving here because the road is very small?
No, I'm used to it.
So, sanay naman na siya dahil dito siya nakatira ng matagal na. So, yung temperature natin ngayon ay 21 degrees Celsius. Maganda ang weather. Kaso medyo mahangin. Kaya chilly siya ng kaunti. So, andito kami guys sa ibang place na pagbibilhan namin ng compost. Kaso kasi, sabi nung nakausap ni Mr. ano daw, wala daw silang compost. Ano lang, topsoil. Pero okay naman na daw yun, sabi ni Mr. Love, I saw someone over there. So, ayun, medyo malayo to. So, Union siya. Union, Connecticut. And parang mga 45 minutes away dun sa lugar ng aking mga in-laws. So, okay lang naman kasi nga, sabi ni Mr., mas feel niyang pumunta dito sa Chuck's Margaritas instead of dun sa Thai restaurant. Para mas mahaba yung time namin na na mag-ikot-ikot. So, nag-drive around na rin kami. Si Zaira is natutulog dito sa likod. So, mga siya, 45 minutes away na drive papunta, tapos 45 minutes din pabalik. Pagkatapos nun, diretso na kami sa restaurant kung open. Kung hindi, baka maghanap na lang nga din kami ng iba. So, most probably doon sa Thai restaurant kung hindi kami abutin ng 4 p.m. So, yan ang ating Mother's Day celebration. Ang daming mga pinuntahan na lugar. Tapos naalala ko dati, share ko lang sa inyo, no? Di ba kanina nasabi ko, ang puti-puti ni Zaira. Syempre, yung kulay namin is magkalayo. Although hindi naman ako ganun ka itiman. Lalo na dati kasi, si Mr. ayaw niya nang pagawa sa akin ulit. Yung nag-ano ako, nagluto tayo. So, maputi ako na mapula. Yung parang ganun. Eh, sabi ni Mr. ayaw niya ng gano'n na parang peke yung kulay mo. Well, hindi naman siya peke, kaso kasi gusto niya yung totoong color. So, ito totoong color ko to. Matagal na akong hindi naggluta tayo. So, inaantay lang natin si Mr. Tapos, nung ando kami sa Pilipinas, nung syempre si Mr. wala pa siya doon, diba? Kasi nga, nag-work siya. So nung andun kami ni Zaira sa Philippines, pag dinadala ko siya sa mall, sasabihin lagi ng mga tao doon, Lalo na yung mga sales lady, pag binibilhan ko siya ng damit sa department store.
Truck over. You have a card. Let me go grab my credit card machine. Give me 1 second.
Naiya ako magsalita. Sabi ng mga ano, do they accept credit card? That's good. Sabi ng mga sales lady doon, foreigner po yung tatay niya, no? So alam na nilang foreigner ang tatay ni Zara. Kasi yung itsura niya naman talaga is more on ano, sa kamukha ng tatay niya. Parang medyo konti lang yung part niya na pagiging Asian. Do you think Zara looks like Filipino?
How many times are you gonna ask me?
No, because you have a different opinion.
Sometimes she does.
Sometimes.
A little bit.
Yeah, but she's more of your people
Right
than
now
my
she looks
people.
like a gremlin.
Because she's sleeping. Tapos sabi ng mga, meron pang isang nagsabi doon, ano, mukha daw manika si Zara. Tapos merong isa naman sa elevator kami, sabi niya, nasaan po yung nanay niyan? Tapos sabi ni mama, siya. Parang nagtaka pa sila na ako yung nanay. Kasi wala naman talaga nakuha sa akin si Zara. So, ito kayang second baby natin. Nung nag-21st or nag-gender scan kami, parang medyo kamukha ko yata itong second baby. Pero hindi pa rin natin sure. Malalaman natin. And okay lang naman yun. Ganun talaga, di ba? Kasi hindi lang naman dalawa naman kami bubuo dito ni Mister. So, kung maging kamukha ko siya, ganun talaga ang buhay. Tingnan yung kalsada dito, guys. So, nakakatakot siya. Tingnan yung Bigelow Hub. Nasa hill kasi. Medyo mabigat itong aming dala-dala kasi na topsoil.
Very nice glasses. I'd rather play with these. Uh-oh, they're all crunched up. See, that's why Grandpa did.
So, ayun guys, pauwi na kami. Hindi na kami nakapag-video doon sa restaurant. What's the name of that restaurant again? Chuck's and Margaritas.
Chuck's
So,
Margarita. Chuck's Margarita.
Chuck's-
I don't know what it's called. Gotta
Chuck's
figure it
Margaritas. Maganda yung place niya, kaya lang naiya kasi akong mag-video kasama yung aking mga biyanan. Tapos may music din. Pero masarap naman yung kinain namin. Oh my God. What did you eat, love? What did you order?
out. I had fajitas.
Ako ay samplers. Tapos siya ay fajitas. How about mom? Did she get the same with yours?
Mom had enchiladas. Bob
Enchilada.
had fajitas.
Ayun. So yun yung aming in-order. How much did you pay? $155? $155. So medyo pricey siya. Pero masarap naman. Tapos si Zara pala ay did Zara order fries and chicken tenders. Pero fries lang yung kinain niya. Tsaka
My
milk.
mother was drinking margaritas.
Is that unlimited?
No.
No?
That's probably why it was so expensive.
Ayan, may margaritas pa pala si she gave me something. She told me not to give it to you. Ito, bigay sa akin ng aking mamilo.
She always buys 2 cards.
This is for Zara. The other one is for Zara. Maybe this is for Zara's birthday.
Oh yeah, she mentioned it.
Yeah, and this is for me. Then she keeps on telling me, she kept on telling me, don't give it to you. I think this is fun. What do you think? Oh, it's nice. I'm gonna show them the gift. It's a card. Look. It's a pretty card. You're a wonderful mom. Ah. Dear Michelle, I see all the love. Ah! Ay, I'm gonna do it. Lab. That's mine. You see all the love and care you put into being channel. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing. And if you are watching, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you